The Mahayana path consists of cultivating and developing Bodhicitta. There are many paths, but the path of Mahayana is supreme. If we investigate all other paths, we will find that they are all included in the 6 paramitas. The 6 paramitas are generosity, ethics, patience, joyful endeavour, meditative concentration, and discriminating wisdom awareness. All the words that were spoken by the Buddha are contained in the Three Pitakas, the Vinaya-Pitaka, the Sutra-Pitaka, and the Abhidharma-Pitaka. The Vinaya-Pitaka deals with moral behavior or discipline, the Sutra-Pitaka with meditation, and the Abhidharma-Pitaka with discriminating wisdom awareness. They are the 3 trainings. Training in moral conduct involves the 3 paramitas of generosity, ethics, and patience.